63. Can anybody think of how we could figure out what your z-score is for you personally? Like, let's take Gavin, for example. What number did you have? 11?
I mean, 71, my bad.
Okay. So you're 71. All right, now how do you think we find out what the z-score is?
I don't know, you kind of put it up there in between
Right, it's like right here-ish. So if we do it right, it should be hitting about like
the 6,
0.6, 0.7. So it needs to be positive. So if we subtract the mean, we can figure out how much this is, this little narrow band. And then if we divide by the standard deviation, we can actually figure out like how much of a standard deviation that would be. So I'm going to subtract the mean and then divide by the standard deviation. So everybody needs to take in their calculator 71 minus 69.9. And then you're going to divide by 3.
All right, 47.
Yeah. So, looks like my picture wasn't great. So the z-score is 0.37 for Gavin. Now, if you're below the average, what will your z-score be? Negative. Is everybody feeling like they understand the idea behind this? So everybody write down really big on your paper. The formula for a z-score is x minus mu over sigma. Sigma is the lowercase standard deviation. X minus mu over sigma. It's a song that I've written. It's a very complex song. You've just heard all of it.
Copyrighted.
It's called z-score. X minus mu over sigma. It is surprisingly, it comes up constantly in statistics.
Think Xander knows that one better?
I don't. You know, I gotta really sing it more at home.
Wait until you teach this to the current ninth graders.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, so I'm gonna try myself here, and you guys should try yourselves as well. I was what, 63? So I'm gonna take my height, which is 63, and I'm gonna subtract women's heights, which is 64.3, because I am in this category, and I'm gonna divide by 2.6. So you should be able to figure out your own z-score.
Oh, wait, I didn't- Oh, why? Oh my
Oh, well, this isn't quite true, right? I'm actually 62.5 instead of 63, so. It should be a little bit bigger of a negative number.
If I'm over 1, like an over -1, that just means that it's more than 1 standard deviation.
Away from the mean, yep. So where are you at? Negative,
-1.3.
so you're like right here?
Jeez, Sawyer.
Okay, yeah, that's very controllable by him.
Just get better genetic.
So if you grab a stats book from under your desk,
I'm almost exactly number 1.
and if you flip to the back,
Should have better.
page A16. On the way back,
Oh, 86.
No, it's not better.
It's a big number.
okay. So this is a table of percentiles where it will tell you what percentile you're in. So for example, since I am -0.5, which is not really true, I'm gonna fix my number. Because really, I'm 62.5 minus, what was it, 64.3 divided by 2.6. So my actual number is negative 0.69. So here's how you read this chart. This is the regular number and the tenths, and then the hundredths go across the top. So since I'm negative 0.69, look up, guys. I'm going to go down to negative 0.6. And at the top, I'm going to line it up to 0.09 and see where my fingers meet, which means I'm about in the 25th percentile for height for women.
Wait,
So let's try, so on the left is the negative numbers, and on the right side on A17 is the positive numbers. So let's try Gavin really quick. Gavin, what was your number again? 0.37?
0.37.
So I'm going to go on the positive side. I'm going to go to 0.3. And then over to 7. So it looks like Gavin's in the 64th percent for height.
That means you're tall.
Taller than average. What do you think the percentage is for 0.5 for, or I'm sorry, not 0.5, for 0? 50%, because 50 is above it and 50 is below it. Okay, I'm not gonna make you guys all share your z-scores and your percentiles, but did you figure it out?
I'm short.
Yeah? Do you wanna share it?
I'm in the 16th.
16th percentile?
What am I?
What was yours?
Negative 1.3.
Was there anything else?
Negative 1.30 puts you at the
11th percent.
No, you're in the
No, 9.
10th,
9.6.
10th percentile for right now.
I ain't growing.
You never know.
Yeah.
Maybe
It's
6
something
years.
waiting for
Americans
years,
get
yeah.
shorter.
I was waiting for years, didn't happen for me. All right.
Yeah.
6 years since I've been
Oh, no.
It's been about 5 or 6 years.
Anyway, so how are you guys feeling about standard deviation, understanding what a standard deviation is and understanding what a z-score is?
I think I got it.
Okay. So on your homework assignment that you've already started, it was page 109, I think, is that right? Just tell me, wait, okay. 17, 18.
21 through 25, 29.
All right, and then I'm gonna add to that 39 through 46. Okay, and that will be due tomorrow, and right now you've got about 23 minutes to do it.